a puppy. He lived on the road, and every day that puppy would dance on the road. All the cars would drive by just to say hi to the dancing puppy. He would dance, 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 little puppy. He would dance, 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 little puppy. Dance, 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 little puppy. He was so happy, little puppy. Then a man in a big SUV, texting and driving and drinking coffee. He was eating cheeseburgers and eating French fries. He hit the puppy died. The moral of this story: don't dance so close to the road, or you might be just like that puppy and your guts will explode.